front, right, front, left, front, front, left,
With the permission of the Honorable Chair, the proceedings of today's virtual inauguration program are begun. I would request Sri Rahul Trivedi, Member Secretary, Gujarat State Legal Services Authority, to please deliver a welcome address with briefing of today's program.
Namaskar. Very good morning. Honorable Mrs. Justice Sunita Agarwal, the Chief Justice, High Court of Gujarat, Honorable Judges of High Court of Gujarat, respected Registrar General and members of Registry, learned Law Secretary, respected Principal District Judges along with the judicial officers working in the District Judiciary who have joined virtually, all the staff members of the District Judiciary joined virtually, ladies and gentlemen. Happiest 75th Republic Day to all. It is on this date, in the year 1950, that one of the best, if not the best constitution of the world, that is Constitution of India, that came into effect. The ethos laid down in the Constitution of India proved all the philosophers and the thinkers of the Western world wrong, that once India gains the independence, it will no longer remain a united nation, but would be divided into a lot many provinces for the reason of the diversities. For the 75 years after the democratic values enshrined in the Constitution of India, India proved all wrong and today holds largest democracy of the world. India is the union of 29 states and 8 union territories. The legal luminaries always point out the pivotal reason for the success of the democracy in India largely attributes to the strong and independent judiciary. The seamless, effective, and efficient judicial system cannot become possible unless and until the institutional bottlenecks that are being there in the system are attempted to be removed. It is in this context, in India, Gujarat holds the special place for the reason being it has the judicial system wherein through which the best infrastructural facility has been provided to the litigant, which aims to have a litigant-centric. It always aims to have the conjugal environment to be provided to the judicial officer. It embarks to have the positivity to be looked into. It has a compassion to wherein through which the specially able persons are also being taken care to. This is the reason why all, including Honorable the Chief Justice of India, rightly and appreciated the infrastructural facilities and the environment within which the justice delivery system in the state works. At the time of inauguration of the newly built court complex at District Court Rajkot, that on the time when the Supreme Court expansion project takes place, the Rajkot District Court building can be considered as a role model. This has become not for the reason the stewardship of Honorable the Chief Justice of High Court of Gujarat. Not only the district headquarters, the Taluka courts in the state are also improving the standards. There cannot be a better mode to commemorate the Republic Day than, than to have a virtual inauguration of 6 court complexes in the state to unveil the statue of Father of Nation, to have a Bhumi Pujan of residential quarters of of court judicial officers, and also 2 talukas stone laying ceremony for new court complexes. For this particular aspect, today's 26th January is going to be a special occasion for the history of judicial system of Gujarat. To virtually inaugurate and take the further chapter of today's proceeding, may I request Mr. Ukrani to take over. Thank you.
Thank you, Trivedi sir. We'll now begin location by location the virtual inauguration of 2 of the stone laying ceremonies, 6 of the inauguration of various court buildings, and 1 unveiling of statue of Mahatma Gandhi ji at Porbandar. May I now request Honorable Mr. Justice Umesh A. Trivedi Sahab to please come near the seat to the Honorable the Chief Justice. I would request my Lord Honorable the Chief Justice and Honorable Mr. Justice Umesh A. Trivedi Sahab to please virtually inaugurate by clicking on the screen the Taluka Court building of Karjan Taluka of District Vadodara. My lords, some of the pictures that we had received from the new Taluka Court building of Karjan are being displayed here. This building is shifted from a very old building to this new court building. After this inauguration of Taluka Court building at Karjan, we would now proceed to multiple inaugurations of District Navsari. May I now request Honorable Miss Justice Sangeeta K. Vishen to please join Honorable the Chief Justice. May I request my Lord Honorable the Chief Justice and Honorable Miss Justice Sangeeta K. Vishen to please inaugurate additional court building of Chikhli Taluka of District Navsari. Some of the photographs of this new court building, my lord. For District Navsari, my lord, two of other initiatives are also there. We are now proceeding to the inauguration of new Taluka court building of Taluka Khergam of District Navsari. May I request Honorable the Chief Justice and Honorable Miss Justice Sangeeta K. Vishen Sahab to please inaugurate. Some photographs of this new Taluka court building of Khergam. The third initiative of the same district of District Navsari, my lords, is the stone laying ceremony of a new Taluka court building to be constructed for Taluka Waghai of District Navsari. My request, Honorable the Chief Justice and Honorable Miss Justice Sangeeta K. Vishen to please inaugurate the stone laying ceremony. Lord, the actual ceremony is also going on there, for which video visuals we'll be getting. These are the photographs of the site. Our next inauguration of today's virtual inauguration program is from District Surendranagar. May I request Honorable Miss Justice Geeta Gopi to please join Honorable Chief Justice. This is the newly constructed additional court building of Taluka Limbdi of District Surendranagar. May I request Honorable Chief Justice and Honorable Miss Justice Geeta Gopi to please inaugurate this new court building. Some photographs from new court building of Limbdi, my lord. The next inauguration is from District Bharuch, for which I would request Honorable Chief Justice to please inaugurate the newly constructed civil court building of Taluka Jhagadia of District Bharuch. After inaugurating this Jhagadia court building of District Bharuch, the next initiative is from District Tapi. I would request Honorable Chief Justice to please inaugurate this new civil court building of Taluka Dolwan of District Tapi. My lord, the next court building is from District Porbandar. May I request Honorable Mr. Justice D.A. Joshi to please join Honorable Chief Justice. This is from the District Court building of Porbandar District Court, Lord. Statue of Mahatma Gandhi ji is to be unveiled. May I request Honorable the Chief Justice and Honorable Mr. Justice D.A. Joshi to please unveil the statue of Mahatma Gandhi. For the visuals from the statue and the photograph that we have received. Thanks, my lords. My lords, another stone laying ceremony for a court building at District Kheda. Lord, this court building is also along with residential quarters for the judicial officers. It is at Taluka Vaso of District Kheda at Nadiyad. My request, Honorable the Chief Justice and Honorable Mrs. Justice M.K. Thakkar to please inaugurate this. Thanks, my lords. I would now request Honorable the Chief Justice, Honorable Mrs. Justice Sunita Agrawal, to please enlighten us all on this occasion.
A very good morning to all of you. Very, very happy Republic Day. As we reach on 75th Republic Day today, on this auspicious occasion, unveiling of the statue of Mahatma Gandhi became much more significant. We all pay our homage to the father of our nation, a beacon of wisdom and virtue. As we inaugurate these judicial structures, we honor Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel's vision for a robust legal system, a cornerstone of our democratic society. Today, their legacies inspire us to uphold the values of truth, justice, and unity as we continue our journey towards a better and more just society. As we embark on this significant milestone, It is imperative to reflect upon the timeless ideals of Mahatma Gandhi and Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel, two towering figures in our nation's history. Mahatma Gandhi, the epitome of non-violence and champion of truth, played a pivotal role in our struggle for independence. His principles continue to guide us on the path of righteousness and justice. Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel, the Iron Man of India, was instrumental in integration of princely states into the Union, laying the foundation for a united and strong nation as we stand today. On this Republic Day, let us recommit ourselves to the ideals of our Constitution and strive to create a society where justice is not just a concept, but a lived reality. The foundation laying ceremony as we inaugurate today are more than just buildings. They are symbol of our commitment to fostering an environment where the wheels of justice turn smoothly and efficiently. We inaugurate these judicial structures. As we inaugurate these judicial structures, I extend my heartfelt gratitude to all those who have contributed to the realization of this project. And I urge the judicial officers who will inhabit these quarters to carry out their duties with utmost dedication and integrity. My congratulations to all principal district judges of different districts and judicial officers of the districts and talukas, Registrar General, members of the registry, members of the bar associations of different districts and talukas. My congratulations to the staff whose unwavering support has brought this day to us. My welcome to all distinguished guests and distinguished guests out there. My congratulations to all my brother and sister judges. My congratulations to especially those administrative judges, Justice Umesh Trivedi, Justice Sangeeta K. Vishen. Many more accolades are there for Justice Sangeeta Vishen. Justice Geeta Gopi, Justice Vaibhavi D. Nanavati, Mr. Justice Anirudh P. Mai, Justice D. A. Joshi, and Justice M. K. Thakur. Thank you so much for making this happen. Thank you, all of you.
Thanks, my lords. We now proceed to the vote of thanks by learned Registrar, Inspection and Finance, Ms. Nipa C. Rawal.
Thank you very much, ladies. We are proud and lucky to have a dynamic and enthusiastic Chief Justice with us. Thank you very much, ladies, for this virtual inaugural function on an auspicious day of Republic Day. Your ladyship has inspired the district judges and strata of this society by adopting an advanced way of inaugurating the buildings which are situated at a very far places, and that too many places at a time. Thank you very much, ladies, for adopting this exemplary initiative. We should also be thankful to the honorable administrative judges of the concerned district and all the honorable judges of the High Court of Gujarat who have made this program successful by their gracious presence. I am thankful to respected PDJs and their entire team, including their predecessors who have contributed their valuable efforts in getting the buildings ready. They, along with the learned member of the bar and the members of the court staff from their respective places, have also graced this occasion by becoming a part of the historical moment. On behalf of Honorable High Court of Gujarat, I also express gratitude towards the Government of Gujarat and the Learned Law Secretary for their cooperation and the appreciable approach in advancement of a judicial infrastructure of the justice delivery system. How can we forget the sincere efforts of the R&B Civil and Electrical Department, who have painstaking and successfully completed the buildings for the use of the court. I am also thankful for the efforts made by the registry and the other officers on a deputation of the at the High Court of the Gujarat and the member of the staff to make this program successful. I would to thank one and all who have contributed to any of the aspect of making this initiative successful on the path of development of our mother institution. Jai Hind, Jai Jai Garvi Gujarat. Thank you.
Thanks, madam. We now proceed to national anthem for this session.
जन गण मन अधिनायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता पंजाब सिंध गुजरात मराठा द्राविड़ उत्कल बंग विंध्य हिमाचल यमुना गंगा उज्ज्वल जलधि तरंग तव शुभ नामे जागे तव शुभ आशीष मांगे गाहे तव जय गाथा।